Wind advisory begins for Macomb, Oakland, Livingston County, north up through the thumb at 7 p.m. We're going to have 20 to 30 mile-an-hour winds constantly blowing tonight and overnight. Occasional gusts of 40 to 45 a possibility. So something to watch out for, and it comes with just a wild swing from the ice chances this morning to 50s later today and near record highs. Tomorrow we're likely going to be back into the wind chills sub-zero. This cold front will come through with the rain today and thunder, and after that all night as those winds crank, especially late tonight and overnight, the cold air keeps pouring in.